Well, that was easy enough. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another part of our home. I'm Brenda with Nana's Hidden Apron, and Brenda and Tom with KY Travelers. That little piece of border right there came down wonderfully. Now, the reason we're doing this, some of you may or may not know, it's been raining a lot here in Kentucky, and our roof started leaking. So we had a problem in here. A leak. A leak. And it messed things up. So now, we figured what better time to go ahead and remodel than the present. So, borders coming down, new paint's going up. We're going to put in a new vanity and sink, new flooring, whatever else we come across that may need to be fixed. If all of that comes off as easy as that piece right there did, which I'm doubting, then border, I love you. And of course, this screw is right there in the border. You will have to excuse me while I go get a screwdriver. Back again. Those were some little jokers to get out of there. They had rusted. Not the best thing for a bathroom, I guess. So, here we go again. And so far, I'm not going to talk too soon. Not much trouble so far. One of the other problems we found out with this bathroom is the paint that's on there, we kind of liked it. So we just went with it and left it like that. But it turns out this is flat paint. You don't put flat paint in the bathroom. No. Semi-gloss, glossy, something that's going to be washable and that the steam from the bath and the shower and all that's not going to be affected by it, but not flat paint, y'all. No. Nobody hear you. Uh-oh. What? Trying to be troublemaker here. I think I need a trash bag. Again, I'll be right back. Back again. I don't like spiders. The ceiling's got spider webs on it. I hate to admit it, but it does. But my vacuum broke. Well, the vacuum that I used to use to vacuum the ceilings with, it broke. And some of them are just not made for vacuuming ceilings. Like, you can't take a dust buster and turn it upside down and vacuum the ceiling. It just don't work. I'm liking how that's coming off. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish all this up. And I'll talk to y'all as I go along. I don't know what all this is about, but oh, that's right. Somebody made a mess with the paint. That's what happened there. Okay, but we'll be back. I'm going to get all this done, and then we'll come back to you. This is the only spot we have that stuck. And then, of course, over there where the damage is from the leak. That didn't come off. But this did. You know how I found out how to do that? Watch some YouTube channels, folks. Get a warm, wet cloth or paper towels. They were using paper towels. I chose to use a cloth so we don't go through all kinds of paper towels. That was my thought anyway. And just leave it on there long enough for it to loosen the glue. It's got to be warm though. And ta-da, we're done with that part.
Now, some of you may be going, why in the world are y'all working in the dark? The reason we're working in the dark is because we want you folks to be able to hear us.
True. Otherwise,
that is the light. It has a built-in ceiling fan. It's on, or exhaust fan. It's all on one switch. So I'm going to turn it on, let y'all hear how loud it is, then I'll turn it right back off.
it's not super loud, but it's loud enough. And we're not really working in the dark. There's plenty of light in here for me, I think. But also, because when this leaked, I'm sorry, I got to sit this broom and dustpan out of the way. When it leaked, Tom's going to bring y'all over here and let me see here. When it leaked, you can see it leaked all down here. Well, you know, here's our other light. Leaked all up in here. We were very lucky, very blessed that there was no issue there. So I'm just going to wipe off the paper that fell on it. It'll be taken off the wall here soon when I start painting. But for right now, I have to get everything fixed and patched up, and then we'll come back after it's dried. But for now, sorry.
Now, that little round shaving mirror is actually hanging on the hook that the big mirror used to hang on. We took the big mirror down when we were trying to figure out just how bad the leak was, and then we didn't even bother to put it back up. So I just use my shaving mirror there whenever I need a mirror, and it works pretty good.
And I can tell you that unknown to us, this actually has layers of paint over wallpaper. We didn't know that, not until this leaked. And the water went in between that wallpaper. I thought it got in between the layers of paint. I was trying to figure out how that happened. But that's not what happened. What happened was the water went down in between the wallpaper and the drywall. And it just made this big old bubble. And then there happened to be a nail hole here. And the rainwater started coming out it. So
and you can see the water path as it came down the wall there.
Yeah. So it could have been worse. I know it could have been a whole lot worse. And I'm just so grateful that it wasn't. But let me get all this, there's some patching and stuff of nail holes that I need to do. Let me get all this done, and then we'll get back with you guys later. See ya. Okay, I got all the patching done, I think. I hope. I'm just going to give it, I don't know for sure how long I should wait for it to dry, but I know I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to let that dry really good. Because that had a little spot on it there. You know how you get those, the corners, get a little crack in them sometimes from settling. So I want to go ahead and get that done too. And that pink will go away and it'll turn white just like that. But I covered up some nail holes, and this place is just a hot mess in here, I'm telling you. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off now. And we're hoping that the back of it is going to look really good once I get it off this wall here. I guess we'll see. Like I said, we found out there's wallpaper under here, so never knew that before. Hopefully it doesn't make too much of a mess. Just run that down in there and loosen that caulk up, with hopes that this is going to come off the wall rather easily. I hope. Y'all hope so too for me, don't you? No. Not a carpenter. I can tell you that. I watched this stuff was being done. So all I can do is hope I'm doing it right. So here we go with this. Oh man, that's hard. Ooh, I don't know what is in that. That is hard. Wow. How thick is that? Let me see. This is just smeared all over there, isn't it? See where the edge is. Let's see here. Oh. Oops. Slipped just a wee bit. You know what? I'm going to have to turn the light on. Y'all like that better too, don't you? Can you see? I'm a jack of all trades and y'all didn't even know it. She says, well, she's hoping that this comes off with one easy swoop and don't rip off all the wallpaper that's up underneath all the paint. So I wanted this just to be a simple thing, you know, paint, put some new decorations up in here. Our paint's a really pretty color. I like it. I don't know about this, y'all. It's interesting, I can tell you. Pay no attention to our bedroom in there either. We're doing our washing our linens today. Oh, come on, come on. Please. What do I see here? And what to my wondering eyes should appear? Ain't no miniature sleigh, I can tell you that. Woo! I might have to go get something different. I thought this little mud knife might work, but I don't know. I believe I'm gonna have to go get a nail puller, small nail puller or something. Yep. I'll be right back. Ooh. Oh, he thinks it's glued. Oh. Uh-oh. Yeah. It don't look happy down in there, I can tell you that. Oh no. Okay. Well, that didn't look so pretty. Well, we had a plan one.
Had a plan one.
Had a plan one. In which case, now we'll go with plan two. Oh boy. I think our house is like 35 years old or something. This has probably been there the whole time. Seeing as how there's no paint there. Well, there's a little bit, but oh, I don't know. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaned up. We're going to have to run to the store, run to Lowe's, get everything we need. Because we have a little DIY session going on here. D. Don't. I. Even think I know what I'm doing. Alright. Well, I'm going to get this cleaned off of here, y'all, and then sit and pout for a little while, because that's just a little more cruise money's going to be spent. That's what's going to happen. A little more cruise money's going to be spent. Tom's over like, I really wanted a shirt, and I really wanted to get this and that. No, he's not. He's just standing back there grinning. Laughing at me and all my silliness. He said, I'm pretty sure it's glued. He's right. But it had to come off because we're replacing the sink and the cabinet. So, oh well. It is what it are. We'll see y'all later.